Damien Lasco sidestep. Ramos got a piece of it, but Mamulak there to clean it up. Caballero free for a free. Book it. And this lead has swelled up to its biggest. Ang isa pang di natin nakikita today, Coach Mike, yung 3-guard setup nila eh. Yung magkakasama sa loob, si Cani, si Darang, at si Alfred Flores. Just 2 points. Attracts the defense. Oh, what a pass.
Oh.
Recovery though. Big time from Kenny Roacorva, swatting that ball away.
One of the better instances where they actually rotated well.
Do it on the next dead ball situation.
That's the shot.
Cani loves that spot and he hits it from beyond the arc.
Tsaka gusto mo yung takbo niya.
9-point ball game. Cani attacks off the glass and in, charging through Nick Caballero.
2 on 2. 2 of 2 rather on his last 2 attempts. Understood na out of balance.
Roacorva drives,
Nice.
swatted away. Great help defense by Carl Bringas. Also credit Cani for cutting him off. Caballero, floater off the glass and in. For Biñan, 19 points off the bench. Bringas, blocked by Mabulak.
What a block by Mike.
Pass outside, Bonifacio. Bingris, the offensive rebound, puts it back in, counted plus a foul.
Grind out type of player that Biñan has.
Lastimosa gets the step. Cani helping, but did not matter. Imposing his will.
To Biñan. This offense has slowed down. Good bucket right there for Hubert Cani.
12 points for Hubert. To the post they go. Pingris this time. Chris Javier matched up on him. Lost it. Javier tries baseline, sneaking through.
Nice
Quick pass. Flores, this is big. He hits it from downtown.
2-possession game.
67 seconds left. Lastimosa, nakabuelo, supalpal, inabot kay Chris Javier. Darang, nagmamadali. Layup, no.
Ng mga teams.
They will drop their first game at home. And Biñan, what a victory. A total grinded out win.